Katerina Summer A. Ilano. Maria Ellen J. R. Pausco. Okay, let's take a bow. 1, 2, 3, bow. First one. Maria Georgia M. Ostaman. Kylie Zian J. Earl L. Nalimot. Now we will have the following pupils who will receive the Certificate of Merit. Katerina Summer A. Ilano. Jeraya Iman C. Calop. Now, I'm proud to present to you the top 10 for the fourth North. Number 10, with an average of 96.2000, we have Rob Aaron G. Alturo. At number 9, with an average of 96.6000, we have Maria Georgia F. Ostaman. Number 8, we have a tie, and after breaking the tie, these are the results. Both have final average of 96.8, and here are their rounded grades. With a rounded average of 96.8145, Kurt Emmanuel M. Rivera. Number 7, with an unrounded average of 97.0419, Eliana C. Navarro. With an average of 97.4, Amara Cassandra A. Harina. Number 5, with an average of 97.6, Sean Jarrett A. Palinos. Number 4, with an average of 97.8, Kylie Zian J. Agustin. Number 3, we have a tie, and after breaking the tie, here are the results. Both have an average of 98.4, and with an unrounded average of 98.4388. At number 3, Maria Ellen J. R. Pausco. Number 2, with an average of 98.4625, Katerina Summer A. Ilano. Number 1, with an average of 98.6000, Darius Jet L. Macario.